Hello mga ka-UVG, welcome to my channel. Tingnan natin kung ano ang ganap. Anong ganap sa'yo, Virgings? Anong ganap sa aking mga Virgings viewers? Maraming salamat po pala sa mga new subscriber natin, sa mga nag-comment at nag-like, mga nag-share. Thank you so much po. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po. Mga Virgings, maaaring energy mo na masagap ko. So, yeah. Sa mga makaka-resonate po today, thank you po in advance. Okay, maraming salamat po. Okay, laking bagay. So, tingnan natin Virgo kung anong ganap sa'yo. Anong ganap sa aking mga Virgings viewers. Sana po ay okay lang kayo dyan. Ooh, it's a good start. Ang ganda ng simula. Ace of Pentacles, Virgo. The Moon Guard, Virgo. Oh my God. You're hiding something. Nagsisikreto ka ba, Virgo, regarding sa finances mo? Kung magkano ini-income mo, kung saan mo kinukuha yung mga income mo, or anong may plano ka dito. Di ko alam kung nangyari na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Pero there is something here na ayaw mong ipaalam. Okay. Ayaw mong ipaalam. Four of Cups, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung ayaw mong magkaroon ng miss opportunity, Virgo. You want to seize the opportunity here, seize the moment, okay? Or maybe someone ayaw magkaroon ng miss opportunity with you, okay? Ayaw magkaroon ng miss opportunity dito. Or rejection, okay? Rejection is protection anyway. So, yeah, tingnan natin dito, Virgo. Bottom of the deck. Pakibasa po. Yan. Kung nakikita nyo, bottom of the deck. Pero ano yan, in the reverse. O, andito yung upright. Ito yung reverse. So, you are freeing yourself here, Virgo. Yun ang nakikita ko. So, i-clarify natin each card. Clarify the Ace of Pentacles for my Virgings. Ooh. Ipaglaban mo, Virgings. So, Ace of Pentacles, Virgo. Clarify the Ace of Pentacles for my... Parang feeling ko, you are freeing yourself into some toxicity. Kung marami kang nire-reject, Virgo, or maybe ikaw ay nireject or in some point either way, just think about it. Rejection is protection po. Okay? So, yeah. Alalahanin in the reverse ang ating devil card dito. So, that is definitely a good sign, lalo na sa overall energy natin. You're all about the bag, Virgo. You're all about finances. You're all about, money. Pero hidden. I think ayaw mong merong makaalam. Siguro bilang lang, isa, dalawang tao. Okay. Ayaw mong may makaalam kung magkanong kita mo, saan ka kumikita, I don't know, Virgo. Okay, so hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang nang-reject dito or when it regards to toxicity. Okay, or maybe ikaw ang maraming rejection na natanggap. Rejection is protection anyway. So, let's see. Clarify the Ace of Pentacles for my Virgo. Oh, Knight of Cups. Oh, ang lakas mo, Virgings. Pag nag-double-double ang card sa isang lapag. Merong someone dito kay Virgo. This is definitely a person. Or maybe this is you. Energy mo. Ang energy po ng Knight of Cups is a very romantic person, very emotional person. Parang you put your soul. And pag merong project, parang nilalagay mo ang puso at kaluluwa mo sa project na yan. You know what I mean? Dalawang scenario ang nakukuha ko. Or either, merong isang tao dito na gustong mag-offer sa'yo. Okay? Na gustong mag-provide sa'yo. Na basta gustong ipamper ka. Sundin lahat ng gusto mo. But, be careful because this is only a night. Okay, I don't know. Hindi ko naman ina-underestimate ang Knight of Cups. Okay. Baka gusto ka lang talaga niyang ipamper. Bibilib pa ako kung king siya. Okay. So, pero kung ikaw to, Virgo, you are heading towards your goal or meron kang project or meron kang target. Okay. You're doing it with all, with the, ang tawag niyan? With all dedication. Yung dedication mo, yung authenticity mo, yung lahat na. Okay, Virgo. Makuha mo lang tong Ace of Pentacles na to. Ang lakas, ang laki ng opportunity to sa'yo dito, Virgo. Marami kang multiple source of income as well. Okay, opening doors na dating sarado ngayon ay bukas na para sa'yo. Okay, Virgo. Or maybe there is someone, Knight of Cups, moving towards you. Bakit? Kasi moving towards you. Kasi baka, let's see. Sandali, bago ako magdadada. Two of Swords. And the Five of Pentacles. No, Virgo. This person sees you. Nakikita ka niya as a bangko. Okay. Or maybe nakikita ka niya as stable or stable person. Even though halimbawa ngayon, basta madali kang maka-attract ng finances. Madali kang maka-attract ng abundance. Okay. Kung gugustuhin mo lang. Okay. Dahil sinasabing alchemist ka. Okay. This person, I think, kasi tinanong ko kung ano yung Knight of Cups, I think magkakaroon ka ng, siguro feeling din niya, hindi rin siya makakapasok eh. Clarify the Five of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Virgo, merong naghihintay sa'yo dito. Okay. Wala siyang ibang kayang i-offer kundi emotion. Okay. This person is feeling left out in the cold by you, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang provider sa pamilya. Maaring lalaki ka man nanonood nito. Or, babae, I don't know. There's no gender and energy, kaya bahala na lang po kayo kung saan kayo lalapag dyan. Pero someone is waiting for you, Virgo. I think in some point, naging provider ka nito. Hindi ko alam kung sino yan sa'yo, siblings, cousin, family members, love relationship. Hindi ko alam kung anong department to sa'yo. Friends, coworker, I don't know. But basta meron ka ditong iniwan, Virgo. Okay. Ikaw ang provider ng person na to. Okay. Kaya lang, parang feeling ko, hindi ko alam ba't hinihintay ka niya. Clarify more. Nine of Cups. Ikaw ang wish fulfillment nito. Ikaw ang bumuo ng ano nito, Virgo, kung sino man to. Pero parang feeling ko indecisive kang bumalik or indecisive kang makipag-collaborate ulit or makipag-partnership ulit, Virgo. Pero ramdam mo na itong person na to is naghihintay sa'yo. Ay, ang kaya niya lang ditong i-offer, Virgo, is emotion eh. Ikaw, on the other hand, you're all about pentacle. Okay. So, you are thinking about this person as well kung deserve niyang magkaroon ng clarify the Two of Swords. The Moon Guard. Di mo sinasabi, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung sinabi mo na or what. There is something inside of you, Virgo, na kaya tayo siguro may Four of Cups. Meron kang na-reject dito energetically, hindi mo man sinasabi, pero pinakita mo na lang sa action mo. Kumbaga, you know what I mean? Um, Parang feeling ko hindi ka na nagsalita. Ang dami mo kasi ditong meron kang going on, Virgo. And alam nitong person na to, kung sino man tong person na to, ang person na to, ikaw ang wish fulfillment niya. Why is that? Ang pangit naman siguro ng, ng, ng intention kung nakikita ka lang niya as a beneficial. Hindi ko alam kung sino man sa'yo yan. Parang makaka-benefit siya sa'yo, ang alam niya. At saka parang feeling ko may experience na rin to sa'yo. Okay. Naghihintay tong taong to, ikaw naman on the another hand, nagdadalawang isip ka kung, kasi iniwan mo na to eh. What I mean, inabandon na mo na to with the Five of Pentacles. Inabandon na mo na to. At saka parang feeling ko meron siyang trouble financially as of now na nag-uusap tayo. As of now na nagre-reading tayo. Yun lang ang nakikita ko. So, this person is waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Okay. Pinatikim mo to ng pinatikim mo to ng Virgo thing. What I mean is, alam niyang madali ka madiskarte ka. Alam niya na madali kang maka lapitin ka ng opportunity, tapos lapitin ka ng abundance, lapitin ka ng pera. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. At saka very giver. Yun ang nakikita ko. Hindi, clarify more the Knight of Cups. Eight of Pentacles. Okay. So, itong person na to, gusto niyang mag-workout, kung ano man sana mag-workout, or mag-trying hard siya dito. Siguro as of now, kung meron man kayong separation, kasi meron tayong Five of Pentacles, tapos may waiting tayo. So, definitely, this is a separation. Merong separation na nag-take place, Virgo, na ikaw on the other hand, Two of Swords and the Moon Guard. Men, nasa crossroad ka pagdating sa taong to. Okay. And then, hindi ko alam kung sino sa'yo yan. Okay, kung anong department sa'yo yan. Family department, friends department, love department, I don't know. But there is someone here na naglalak ng finances. Tapos parang bagang ikaw ang sandigan nito. And then, kung merong mga separation, I think nagpo-focus siya more on work. Pero, ang kaya niya lang kasing hindi ko alam kung clarify more. Two of Wands. No, okay. Nagde-desire to na mag-work together kayo, Virgo. Okay. Ito ang wish niya na magtrabaho kayo. Or, hindi ko alam kung katrabaho mo to or what. Pero sa nakikita ko, hindi ko alam kung gusto mo pang makipag-partnership dito as I said earlier. With the Two of Swords and the Moon Guard. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung ayaw mo lang masaktan ng feeling nito, Virgo. Pero you are working something here. For yourself. Generational to eh. Generational wealth, Virgo. You are working on your own generational wealth. Tapos may isang tao dito na gustong sumabit. Pero inano mo na to eh. Hindi ko alam kung action speaks louder than words. Hindi ko alam kung meron ka nang sinabi dito or what or something. Pero this person is still waiting. At kasi ikaw ang wish fulfillment nito. Ang desire niya is magtrabaho kayo or magkaroon kayo ng business ng sa inyo. Or I don't know. Basta together. Yung naisip ko. Nakikita niya na dito ang future niya sa'yo, Virgo, na you are going to work together. Yun ang pinaka-desire niya. Pero ikaw, on the other hand, parang, medyo, I don't know. Pero, and this person, naglalak siya ng finances dito, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung sino sa'yo yan. Alam nitong person na to na, napaka-codependent naman ng energy na to. Parang naiinis ako. Knight of Cups is a romantic person sweeping you off your feet. Titirahin ka nito emotionally, Virgo. Ang intention nito is mag-work together kayo. Magkaroon kayo ng stability dito. Ace of Pentacles is stability din yan eh. Pero that is definitely a bug. Pera yan. What I mean, finances, abundance. Sa bagay, abundance is maraming meaning abundant health. Diba? Pero ito pera to eh. Okay, Virgo. Merong naghihintay sa'yo dito, Virgo. And then, titirahin ka nito emotionally, Virgo. Sweeping you off your feet. Lahat ng mga gusto mong marinig. Or, I don't know, something ikaw naman dito on the another hand, in the back of your mind. Nasa crossroad ka. Hindi ko alam kung kaya siguro may Four of Cups dito. Kasi parang feeling ko may codependency na nangyari. Kung nilet go mo to, Virgo, kasi may separation nga nangyari. So, ibig sabihin, merong toxic sa relationship. Hindi ko alam kung relationship yan or environment or community or family. Ano mo to, hinayaan mo to eh. Kung dati provider ka niyan, yun lang masasabi ko. Ikaw ang provider ng taong to. Hindi ko alam kung group people man yan or single people. I mean, isang tao lang. Okay. Hindi ko alam kapatid mo, pinsan mo, kaibigan mo. Basta provider ka niyan. Point blank period. Okay. At saka parang feeling ko, nag-separation, may separation na nag-take place kasi meron ka ditong inasikasong mas importante. Mas malaki. Okay. Mas malaki, mas importante, tsaka this is all new, reset, reboot. Okay. Meron ka ditong ina-after eh. Meron kang goals dito. And then, itong taong to, hindi ko alam kung papansin or what or something. Pero in the back of your mind, I don't know. Let me think about it. Dalawa ng moon mo, dalawang ace of pentacles mo. Pentacles. Dalawang Ace of Pentacles, dalawang the Moon card. So, this is definitely, sa sinabi ko pa lang kanina, bago ako mag-clarify, meron ka ditong tinatago, Virgo, na ayaw mong malaman ng karamihan or ayaw mong malaman ng ibang tao kung ano ang ginagawa mo behind the scene pagdating sa finances. Okay, meron kang mga secret business dito or secret something. Secret resources. May mga secret ka dito, Virgin. Secret. Secret resources, secret business. I don't know. But this person, I think, nafe-feel niya na meron ka. I don't know. Basta sabi ko nga sa'yo, ito, kung sino man tong taong to, alam niyang lapitin ka ng opportunity at alam niyang marunong kang gumawa ng sarili mong penakel. Okay. Kung hindi mo na to binagyan ng pansin, Virgo, naghihintay pa rin siya actually. Nagdi-desire pa rin siya na in some point mag-workout pa rin. Or baka na, hindi ko alam, baka nagmamahinga ka lang or baka meron ka lang pinagdadaanan, yun na lang ang iniisip niya. Wala na siyang ibang maiisip na iba. Okay. Hindi ko rin alam kung may communication kayo nito, I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung sino nag-cut off ng communication dito. Basta, yun ang nakikita ko kasi may ayaw magsalita with the two of pentacles. Ay, with the two of swords, sorry. Okay, tapos, this person feeling left out in the cold, financially lacking. Okay. Pero still waiting. Okay. Ikaw lang ang makakapag-solve ng kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan niya. Ikaw lang, wala nang iba. Ikaw lang makakasolve. Okay. Gusto niyang mag-work kayo together. Nakikita niya na yung future niya sa'yo. Pero parang feeling niya, one foot in, one foot out ka sa kanya. Okay. Hindi, nararamdaman din niyang meron kang tinatago dito. Virgo. Clarify the moon guard. The sun guard. In the reverse yun. Bakit ba? Seven of Cups. The Sun card and the Seven of Cups. The Sun card in the reverse, Virgo, merong confused dito. Merong hindi masaya. Like, hindi ko alam kung kinatoff mo to. Merong hindi masaya sa communication, Virgo. Nag-communicate ka dito, meron din akong travel na nakikita, Virgo. Parang feeling ko, meron kang hidden agenda dito. May tinatago ka, ayaw mong ipaalam kung sino man. Meron kang ayaw ipaalam sa specific na person, Virgo. At hindi sila masaya, sila man yan or niya. Hindi sila masaya sa ginagawa mo, Virgo. Kung sino man yan. But you're doing your thing. What can I say more? Merong confused dito sa mga galawan mo. Hindi sila masaya. Confused sila, napapaisip kung anong mga ginagawa mo. Virgo, wala ka kasing sinasabi. Di ko alam kung kinat off mo tong mga person na to with the Queen of Swords. Ang Queen of Swords is clean cut. No BS. Ang Queen of Swords para sa akin as a reader, don't shoot the messenger, okay, lahat po ng mga reader may mga sariling perception sa card. So, para sa akin, you're moving forward, pero bago ka mag-move forward, Virgo, pinang-cut off mo ang mga BS dito. Kasi ang Queen of Swords can see, nakikita niya, can see right through the BS. Nakikita niya dito, Virgo. Nakikita mo ang mga BS dito na tao. So, you are, clarify the chariot more. Oh, King and Queen of Swords. God damn. So, nakikita ko dito, Virgo, merong communication or may couple card dito. Okay. So, utakan to ngayon. Okay. Mirroring na sinasabi. Parang feeling ko napipilitan na lang din yung isang tao dito na i-mirror ang galawan ng isang tao kasi parang feeling ko galit na siya or galit ka na, Virgo. So, there is a mirror happening here. Okay. Meron din akong travel na nakikita. Clarify more. Ace of Wands. So, God. Three of Cups. Celebration. So, Virgo, hindi ko alam kung magmi-meet kayo halfway, pero ang mentality mo dito is, kung magkikita man kayo, kasi meron tayong reconciliation card with the Three of Cups, okay, and the Ace of Wands, new beginning. Kung magre-reconcile ka sa person na to, Virgo, be mindful. I think, kung anong galawan mo, imi-mirror niya. Kung anong galawan niya, imi-mirror mo. Yun ang ano dito. Yun ang big factor dito. Kung sakasakali man. Kasi merong isang tao dito na galit eh. Galit siya kasi confused siya sa mga past action, sa mga decision making, sa mga moving forward without someone or without this person or I don't know. May mga block akong nakikita dito and then all of a sudden merong reconciliation na magte-take place. So, kung ano yung galaw ng isa, yun ang magiging galawan ng isa. Okay. So, it depends. With the 3 of Wands, 33 may be significant. Virgo. Pero, sa nakikita ko, meron din travel dito. Merong sasakyan. Hindi ko alam kung magpapa-upgrade ng sasakyan or bibili ng sasakyan. Okay. There is something about sasakyan. Okay. Okay. Kung magmi-meet kayo or magre-reconcile kayo ng kung sino man to, may reconciliation na magaganap. Okay. I think magmi-mirror kayo, both parties, both side, kasi merong hindi masaya dito. Na, very confusing for a very long time. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang na-confuse for a very long time about the situation, Virgo. Or maybe someone is confused sa mga galawan mo, Virgo, for a very long time. Wala kang sinasabi, matagal na itinago. Okay, and then reconciliation, coming together, coming in together. Merong naghihintay dito with the 3 of Wands. Okay. Waiting card yan. So, sa 4 of Cups, meron tayong 8 of Wands, 6 of Cups. Nostalgia. The World card. At saka the Page of Pentacles. I think this is a past person, Virgo, na magkakaroon ng communication dito. Very nostalgic. This person is feeling rejected, Virgo. May nireject ka dito, okay? Without saying anything, Virgo. Yun ang nakikita ko with the 4 of Swords, healing. Okay, pero there is something here. Meron ditong regalo or gesture or maliit na bagay lang pero clarify the world more. The Hangman. Ay, hindi ko alam Virgo kung basta may travel dito. Tapos, basta may travel, tapos may magbibigay sa'yo ng something. Okay. Hindi ko alam pagdating mo or pag-alis mo. Basta may magta-travel dito. Pero this person, itong person na to rejected sa'yo to before. Nagkaroon ng miss opportunity to sa'yo before. Merong communication na magte-take place regarding for the past person, Virgo. This person is very nostalgic about you. Yung nakikita ko dito. The Hangman and the Page of Pentacles. Be careful, Virgo, kasi ang intention nito is like, hindi ko alam kung siya ang stuck or balak niyang i-stuck ka. Kasi para sa akin with the World card, this is travel, okay? Pero sometimes it can represent ending a cycle. Ending in order to begin new one. Kung gusto niya magkaroon ng new beginning dito, Virgo, with the Page of Pentacles, I think ang intention niya lang is i-stuck ka ulit. If this is from the past person. Past person to eh, with the 6 of Cups. Reject mo na to before. So, wala na tayong magagawa dyan. Use your own discernment, Virgo, kung ano pa man ang dapat mong i-discern with the 4 of Swords. Nag-healing ka na, naka-let go ka na, naka-reverse ng Devil card mo dito with the overall energy. So, that is definitely a good thing. Ikaw, nasa sa'yo yan. Yung kumbaga sa anong tawag niya, nakalaya ka na for how many years sa BGMP or sa kung saan pa mga kulungan. Let's just say, analogy ko lang po to ha. Nakalaya ka na, tapos parang feeling ko babalik ka ulit. Like, nakalaya ka na, bakit ko sinabi yun? Kasi may devil in the reverse na tayo. Nakalaya ka na sa mga toxic things, toxic person, toxic places, toxic things. Virgo, nag-healing ka na with the 4 of and then all of a sudden, merong someone dito na, someone wants to come back around. Okay, kasi merong hindi masaya dito kung ano ang ginagawa mo behind the scene. Once na magkaroon kayo ng reconciliation or magdesisyon ka na makikipag-reconcile ka, Virgo, or maybe wala kang control sa tadhana, 'di ba? Wala tayong control sa kung ano pa man ang pwede mangyari in the future. But we can, pwede tayong sumilip ng konti. Okay. So, kung Virgo, let me know kung magkakaroon ka ng reconciliation with someone. Okay. Yung person na yon is like hindi siya masaya sa mga naging past action or sa kung anong nangyari sa relationship man yan or what man yan, hindi masaya. Okay. So, ang strategy nyo sa bawat isa ngayon is mirroring. Okay. Definitely, merong naghihintay dito. Parehas kayong nagkikrave ng new beginning. Siguro, parang feeling ko ito, try nyong i-workout. Pero, meron talaga masakit ang loob dito. Tinatago lang niya. Okay, so be careful with that, Virgo. Okay. Kasi meron tayo din ditong intention na i-stack ka ulit. Nag-base kasi ako dito sa overall energy natin. Okay. May magbibigay sa'yo ng gift. Hindi ko alam kung, I know this person is stuck with you, with the hangman. Okay. Pero pwede rin either way na intention niyang i-stack ka ulit. Like, what the freak? Okay. So, clarify the hangman more. The Tower card, very unexpected. Just be careful, Virgo. Kasi parang feeling ko, this person, gusto kanyang i-stack ulit sa sitwasyon. For example, buntisin ka. Or for example, gawang ka ng something na hindi ka na makakalis or hindi ka na makakalayo sa sitwasyon ulit. Tulad nitong ginagawa mo dito na nagsosolo ka or you're doing something behind the scene. Okay. Tapos, yung mga nangyari in the past years or past months or idle weeks, days, hindi masaya tong person na to. Kasi hindi niya alam kung ano rin ang galawan mo. 'Di ba? Parang projection ang dating. Parang namamahid ng sarili niyang takot sa sarili niyang anino, king inang niya. Pero meron din ditong past person din, isang past person. I think this is two person or I don't know. Virgo, kung meron kang dalawang person, if this is a love reading or maybe family or friends or relatives, siblings, I don't know. Bahala ka na basta may two person dito na coming towards you. Bahala ka na. Use your own discernment. Sa mga Virgo po na hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay. Nakalaya ka na Virgo, so it depends on you. Depende pa rin sa'yo yan. Use your own discernment. Meron ditong hidden feelings kung sino man tong masakit ang loob sa'yo. Hindi siya masaya sa mga pinagdaanan niya or sa mga naranasan niya. What I mean, siguro hindi ka naman ganoon na aalis ka na lang ng walang dahilan. Siguro, inisip niya as ikaw ang mali. Kasi may devil energy eh. Ang devil energy is nandyan na lahat, narcissistic, toxic person, projecting person. Parang, mga projecting person, parang victim mindset, victim mentality, yung hindi niya maamin na siyang may kasalanan, tapos ipoproject niya sa'yo. Kind of energy, Virgo, naranasan mo na ba yan? I don't know, pero yun ang nakikita ko dito with the devil card. And now, naglaya ka, nag-healing ka. And then all of a sudden, magre-resurface ulit sila. Pero parang feeling ko naaamoy mo na, kaya meron tayong mirroring dito. May reconciliation, pero be careful pa rin kasi nasa underneath tayo ng the moon card. Nakahide tong sakit ng loob, nakahide tong confusion card. Na-confused pa siya kasi hindi niya alam kung ano ang nangyari sa'yo in the past or past years, I don't know, kung merong mga reconciliation na magaganap. Just be careful, Virgo, kung magkakaroon ka ng reconciliation regarding sa past person. Okay. Kasi confused pa siya, ang dami niya dito. Sandali nga, i-clarify the Seven of Cups. Nine of Pentacles, apology. Or maybe nag-expect ng apology dito. The Full Guard. And the Seven of Wands, defensive energy. Defensive and gagawing siguro parang feeling niya pag magkaroon ng apology dito, yun na yun. Tatanggapin mo na. Pero with the Seven of Wands, nasa high ground ka. So, kita mo pa rin kung genuine ang apology ng person na to. Together with the Full card is bahala na. We need to start. Kung mag-apology man siya, sorry. Or maybe ikaw magsusorry. Or both of you is magsusorry. And then you're going to take a leap of faith. Both of you into the situation. Be careful pa rin kasi nasa the moon card ka. Itong person na to, meron siyang hindi magandang At alam mo yan. Alam mo yan kasi galing ka dyan. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Tingnan natin kung anong advice. Hindi ko alam kung sino magsasorry dito. Baka about parties tapos magde-decide na uh, jump into the unknown together. Okay. Or maybe this person only. Tapos magkakaroon ng defensive dito. Hindi ko alam kung parehas kayong against or baka ayaw mo yung plano niya, ayaw din niya yung plano mo. I don't know. Virgo, clarify the Seven of Wands, the King of Cups, and the Five of Swords. Okay. So, sa nakikita ko dito, Virgo, hindi ko alam kung with the King of Cups is a emotional, anong tawag yan? Emotional intelligence. What I mean is, for short, Virgo, sa kung anong apology man ang mangyayari dito, sa kung anong mang komprontahan, may confrontation card ka, sa kung anong confrontation card man to, finances man to, or basta drama, itong King of Cups na to, hindi siya iimik kasi ang emotion niya naka sa loob ang kulo nitong King of Cups eh. Okay. Ang clarification ko sana, pwede pa kung hindi to lumabas na Five of Swords. Okay. So, ipaglalaban niya, meron siyang i-insist dito, pero papayagan ka pa rin niya kasi ang King of Cups is a very loving king. Okay, pero lumabas to, so be careful. Meron siyang, sige, pagbibigyan ka niya, pero, you know what I mean, Virgo, or maybe that's you. Yes, I said either way. Okay, so, what is the advice, Virgo? What is the advice? Bahala ka na, Virgo, kung saan ka makaka-resonate sa tatlong yan. Okay, sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate na Virgo, better luck next time po. Okay, so let's see. Clarify eh. We have step out onto your comfort zone, Virgo, and meditate and contemplate. And adjustment is required. So, bahala ka dyan, Virgo, kung paano yan mag-fit in sa'yo. Your commitment is being tested, Virgo. So, yeah. Step out into your comfort zone, Virgo, or maybe this person. Meditate and contemplate is required. Adjustment is required as well, Virgo. So, bahala ka na. Kung saan ka lalapag dyan, Virgo, just let me know. Sa mga makaka-resonate po, thank you po in advance, Virgo. So, let's see kung anong angel message number. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. Angel message number. You have 10. You have 10 king. King. You have 10, 4, 6. 10, 4, 6, Virgo. Google mo siya. Angel message number 10, 4, 6. Meron kang message. Meron kang king dito. Masculine energy, old energy. Baka lolo mo. Grandfather mo. Meron siyang message sa'yo. So, yeah. That's what I have for you, Virgo. Okay, sana po ay nalinawan or hindi ko kayo na-confuse. Thank you po. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching and bye for now.